Are these shells loud enough to make an echo in your ear? Hey guys, today we're back at the lake with some canister shells here. These are the Echo in the Ear 5-inch canister shells by Winda fireworks. And I can definitely tell that these are going to be pretty interesting. These actually they seem to be newer version because they have the plastic tops. I remember seeing a box of these that had, I do know this part was a little bit thinner and they had a bit of an Italian style wrap to it. There was a little bunch of paper at the top. It was pretty interesting. But yeah, these are definitely interesting, and I can already tell that these are labeled for effect and they are numbered. I will go through those effects very soon when I open them. There is a QR code right there if you want to scan that. But yeah, these are definitely some nice looking shells. There's some instructions on how to fire these. There's not really much else on this box. But yeah, we can go ahead and open this up and see what they look like. So yeah, we've got a pretty standard cardboard box here. There is a warning label on the back there. I will need to grab box cutters to open this up. But yeah, there's your shells. I'm gonna go ahead and grab those box cutters. All right, I got out the shells and the tube. Tube looks the same as the box. It's pretty nice. Not much to it really though. Very nice. And the shells are listed for effects and numbered. They look pretty nice. Also the same as the box. I kind of like this little yellowish look to them. It's definitely really cool. But it's not super interesting. I mean, they're pretty standard. Yeah, the first one is Brocade Crown. Number 2 is Titanium Chrysanthemum, which probably means Dragon Egg, which is Titanium Crackle. Red Wave with White Strobe is number 3. Number 4 is Green Wave with Crackle. Number 5 is Multicolored Dahlias with White Strobe. And number 6 is Gold Willow to Green with Red Strobe. So that one will be nice. But yeah, these are pretty nice shells. I'm not sure if these are the only effects that these come with. I've only seen a 6-pack of these, but I think I've seen different effects on these shells before. I'm not sure though. These might be the newer effects. They probably have changed over the years, but yeah, let's go ahead and see what these do and shoot them off. Here goes Echo in the Ear. I love the echo. Yep, the shells are really nice. Another great 6-pack of shells. They definitely live up to their name. The echo out here is pretty nice. I mean, you can hear that thundering echo like 3-4 seconds after the burst charge explodes, and yeah, Echo in the Ear by Winda Fireworks. Really nice shells. Definitely had some clean effects. Very nice. They are basic effects, but I did like the last one with the willow and the changing willow. I think it was like gold willow to green, if I remember, with the red strobe. It was really nice. So yeah, I definitely recommend these. One thing I did notice, the product number has an A on the end. So I'm wondering if this is a first version of this. Maybe they have a second version of this or something. Or maybe they even have a 12-pack. I'm not sure. I just never really see a second letter on the product number on Winda stuff, unless they have like a second or even third part of it on the same pack or something. Like these Roman candles that I have, which I will be doing a video on very soon. It has a product number, and each one is labeled at the end like this. It has A, B, C, D, and so on. It's pretty nice. But yeah, I was wondering if this maybe has a second pack to it or something, different effects. So if anybody knows about that, let me know. But yeah, Echo in the Ear, definitely really nice. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time with another video.